Hey everyone, Tracy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to pose as a short woman. From personal experience myself, I am just 5'1" and I know over the times it could get very uncomfortable as a short person when people take pictures of me because I look super tiny. So over time, I gained my confidence by learning how to pose as a short woman. Especially, it's so crucial when I do this for my modeling agencies and I became represented as a model. I really have to become picky and learn like these poses just to take the right photo for my portfolio and also for Instagram and for your personal pictures as well. So let's go right ahead and go into the top poses that you would do to shoot as a short woman for a photo shoot. So the first one is all about angles. As we all know, if we shoot on a certain angle from too high to too low, there's a huge difference in how we look. So as you can see, if we do really high angle, we look super tiny, and you can see mostly torso and very little of my legs. And so it just accentuates my shortness. However, with mid-angle for medium length, you could see, oh yeah, a little bit more proportional. You could see more legs, but you could still see more proportion of the torso than the legs. Whereas you could shoot in the lower angle, as you've seen here, it really brings out my legs more, and it makes me look a lot taller, a lot more proportional, and just look a lot more grand and confident in the image. And also if you go super low, if you want some crazy, high fashion looking legs, then you could totally shoot that as well if you want that kind of aesthetic. But those are some tips on how to look taller as a short woman, is angles. Another great tip for posing is when you are posing for full body is to really point your feet and put one foot over the other and point your toes and even go on your tiptoes as well to really lengthen those beautiful legs of yours, and so you could stand up more confidently and taller. Another posing tip you can do is to cross your legs to make your legs look a lot more elegant and to give you that S shape on your body. The next posing tip is that you could totally use your leg and bend one knee to the side with one leg either on your right leg or the left leg. It doesn't matter. It gives a nice S shape to your body as well. Another great posing tip is to always have good posture and to never hunch and to stand up nice and tall and straight and confident, taking those beautiful pictures of you. Another great posing tip you could do is to really add movement to the pictures, to have a little bit of fun with it, either moving your hair, moving your clothing, jumping up in the air. As you can see right here, I chose to move my hair and just flip it, and it has like a really nice movement to the image that tells like a really great story to the picture. Another fun thing you could do is to add accessories and props to your photo shoot. So for instance, right here, I used sunglasses to spice up this photo shoot by sitting down on the rooftop and putting on these sunglasses, playing around with it, smiling with it, holding it, wearing it. It's fun that way. Or you can use hats, jewelry, whatever kind of props to really spice up those pictures. Another great posing tip that you can do to show diversity in your face is facial expressions. So it's great to do a variety of different faces, like for instance, a happy one, a sexy one, an angry one, a shocked one, or just, a smiling, cute one, whatever that you want to do, just to have a variety of different faces in your pictures. Another great posing tip is to really work those angles. As you can see, when you are standing or if you are sitting, you see the triangles when I'm sitting to make those angular shapes. And also, especially when you're standing, you don't want to stand straight onto the camera. You kind of want to angle your body on a 45 degrees angle and kick out your hip a little bit and show that curve. So make sure to work those angles. Last but not least is to just have fun with your images, especially with any kind of photo shoot with your friends or with a professional photographer. It's so important to just have fun, show your personality in the pictures, and show just the different emotions that you want to capture for memories for yourself or for your portfolio if you're doing modeling. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope these tips really helped you, especially as a short woman or any kind of shorty out there who are looking for tips in posing, for full body, for face, for arms. And I really appreciate you watching, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification ring button so you could get all the notifications of my future videos. And I just want to remind all of you that each and every one of you are beautiful and unique in your own way in regards to your shape, to your size, to your height. And I'm just giving you these tips so you can have the best angles of yourself that looks great in photos. And thank you all so much again, and have a beautiful day.